How to lock WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually lock the WhatsApp application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS, you don't need a app lock feature inside of your phone to be able to lock WhatsApp, because WhatsApp itself provides you that security feature. To get started with this, depending upon whatever type of biometric verification you have, because most likely if you're on iPhone, you must have Face ID, and if you're on Android, you must have both Face ID as well as Fingerprint, right? So what you want to do is, first of all, go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, tap the settings icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now, in case you're on Android, you might have to tap the three dots icon from the top right and then go to settings after that. But for iOS users, over here you'll find the option called privacy, and similar is the case for Android users as well. Just go to privacy over here. Once you go to privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then here you'll find the option called screen lock. Now, in case you're on Android, the option may look a little bit different, such as required lock or something similar to that. But anyway, you simply want to look for screen lock depending upon the type of biometric verification you have. In my case, it's iOS, so it's asking me to require my Face ID, and all I need to do is just turn on the toggle next to my Face ID. I can choose how I want to lock WhatsApp: immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or about an hour. So if I choose immediately, let's say that I just close WhatsApp. Now, next time whenever I open up WhatsApp, you can see it'll require me to actually enable my face unlock. So if I don't have my face unlock, then I'll not be able to open up WhatsApp. And this is a simple way on how you can lock the WhatsApp application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.